everybody. It's 8 o'clock. I'm feeling really sick. Not feeling that great. I ended up sleeping in. Luckily, I can work from home today. I think I'll do some very light training. Still gonna take the cold shower, cause fuck it. Anyway, gonna do prayer. I'm whispering cause my mom is sleeping. Right here. Alright, see ya. Okay, I finished my prayer for training since I ended up sleeping through my kickboxing training. Let's just do some push-ups. Yeah, my mom ended up coming here and staying the night. So, it's okay. So let's just do some push-ups. Okay, workout finished. Felt so weak. But got it done. 50 push-ups, 100 crunches. I feel a little bit better. My blood's pumping, but still feel very weak. Just got a scratchy throat is mainly what I have, and just a headache. Just not feeling good at all. Anyway, let's go for the cold shower, and then some cold shower thoughts. Alright, I just saved. Feels so much better. Man, this cold shower is gonna suck. We got through yesterday. I'm feeling just slightly worse than yesterday. I feel like when we're sick, you just gotta do everything you normally do, but dial it back by how much ever you need to. You still gotta get it done. Gotta take care of your body though, but don't be lazy. Otherwise you fall into a trap. And then once you're sick, fall into that trap. You lose a lot of progress. So you just gotta keep going, but just dial it back. Fucking done. Fuck yeah, man. Just got it done. Wasn't that bad. Okay. Conclude cold shower number 10. So I'll just do cold shower thoughts quickly in here since my mom's outside. Don't worry guys, I'm wearing a towel. Not completely naked. But anyways, cold shower thoughts for number 10. You need some routine. You need something that you fall back on when you're just lost, feeling sick, you're just not feeling anything. Just not feeling like doing anything. You need some routine, and it needs to be something beneficial for you. The reason is, the bare minimum, if you don't do any work, is you at least did that routine. So for me, it's training, prayer, and cold shower. If I do those 3 things, I know at least I'll have conquered and gotten a little bit better the day. Actually, including that routine, it's gonna be this video. So, everybody needs to have a routine. You need to have something you fall back on. It just provides some guidance in life if you're lost. It provides something to fall back on when you just feel sick, you don't know what to do, injured, don't know what to do. Get a routine. Get routine as soon as possible. Just write one down right now and implement it today as much as you can. And stick with it. Today's gonna be pretty relaxed. Just working from home. Gonna water Tulsi Mata. Then I might head over to the shop in the evening. Just go water her. beautiful days. What's up, gang? We finished working from home. Gonna head to the shop, finish up those Facebook Marketplace listings. Somebody's interested in buying one of my listings today, so we're gonna meet up with them, sell off that. It's just 30 bucks, not much, so it's a start. On top of that, gonna start making a plan for 2025, or just reviewing the plan I already have, tweaking it, and continue practicing are just the things we need to work on in the videos, continue reflection, fix them, implement them. I'm gonna make a whole bunch of AI. I'm gonna use Opus Clip to make a whole bunch of shorts, post them all on all the platforms. We also need to put all of our videos from YouTube onto Rumble as a contingency in case YouTube, I don't know, for whatever reason takes down my platform. But we want to be everywhere. Anyways, I think that's what's the plan for today. But feeling so much better. I just rested. I was just in the bed doing some design work for my job. Luckily, it's the day before the New Year, so New Year's Eve. Very relaxed. Hello, everybody. Back at the shop. So I'm gonna fire up Opus Clips. For those of you who don't know what that is, I'll show you in a minute. But it is an incredibly important tool, I believe, for many business owners that actually make content, because it speeds up the reel creation process and shorts creation process so much. I'm gonna go ahead and share. Okay, so when you go to the Opus Clips dashboard, it looks something like this. I'm just gonna make it half screen so you guys can see. So it looks something like this. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna drop in the YouTube links for all my videos that I want to clip up. Let's do more for our recent ones. So let's do something for day 7, day 8, and day 9. Let's do for day 7. Basically, you're just gonna take the link here, copy it, paste it right here. All right, and then we're gonna get clicks. Now it's a credit-based system, and each clip I think is about a couple. So you can see how much it'll take 22 credits to clip this. We have 150. So it helps because each video has a decent amount of clips, about at least 5 to 10. So it's about 1 week's worth if I post one a day. Because my marketing guy, my social media marketing, he's also posting one clip for CNC machining, and we're tuning what type of content gets the most views for the actual CNC machining content, which is just voiceover with CNC machining. And then we're also having this whole Road to 600 project where I'm posting clips every day and YouTube videos every day, right? So we really want to dial in what content clicks with our viewers. What do they want to see? What can I make that's entertaining? And so this clip, this AI clipping tool analyzes the content and makes the most, what it projects to be the most desirable types of short form content. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'll show you the results. All right, so here are the results from clipping our day 7 speed and hustling video. So you can look at the first one. Basically, it clipped this and it rated the video based on what it believes, the AI believes will do well. But essentially, the video looks like this. Now, I've been selling a lot of stuff, hustling. So essentially, it just adds subtitles, it clips the video, and then basically it's a short. I also realized one thing. In a lot of these videos, my top of my head starts getting cut off too. So I need to have my arm a little bit farther so that my face doesn't get cut off. You see all of my big, beautiful face, because I look good. But that's what I'm talking about. Just reflecting, you notice all these things. I think also my camera's moving around too much. So I gotta stay still as best as I can and show my full face. But awesome tool. Hello everybody. Just wanted to film something really quick. So I sold a digital dial caliper. It was brand new. I got it a while back. I think it was for about 50, and I got $30 for it. They even gave me a $2 bill. $2. It's funny because I had just given my mom $25 to give to the Gurudwara to get some food just for God's work. So I think I need to do a little bit better job at this, but you should always dedicate some money towards work for God. So my mom, I gave her $25 in my wallet, and somehow God gives me 29. And the funny thing is, you have to really change your mindset on money. This is something I've learned a long time back. Money's everywhere. I mean, there's no shortage of money in the world. Grant Cardone said something like, money is like an ocean. And if you just go on a beach and take buckets of water from the ocean, nobody's gonna give a fuck. That's how plentiful money is. And you just gotta know where it is. Money's like a river. You just gotta be in the right place at the right time and in the flow of the river, and you'll be fine. Just got to say I was feeling good about myself, and I think I'm just gonna talk about it now, but have that mindset about money. Money is everywhere. Money is everywhere. Just gotta look for it. That's why I'm hustling. I see money everywhere. You gotta ask yourself, where's the money? All right? Where's the money? I got all this stuff. It's all money. Not to mention, you have to be really adaptable on ways you can take money. Crypto. Hell, I could fucking accept crypto. If you want a machine part, you're willing to pay me in crypto, I'll accept it. I'll take crypto, I'll take cash, I'll take credit, I'll take debit, I'll take check. I'll take freaking bartering if you want for some parts. I'll take equity. I did some work for a startup. They gave me some equity in the company. It wasn't that much. I could swing it, so why not? Be adaptable. Money's everywhere. Just look for it. If you learn that skill, you will be a successful businessman. That's how we're gonna hit 600K. All right, everybody. I'm gonna call it a day. Just been doing a lot of clipping, scheduled a whole bunch of posts, uploading videos. I'm also working on an email campaign. I'll share that in a different video. I need to really reflect on that and see what's working and change it. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoy the new year. Have some plans for New Year's Eve. Spend it with your family. Relax, enjoy it. 2024 was definitely one for the books. A lot of ups, a lot of downs, but we're gonna keep going. We're still on that road. Never gonna give up until we hit there, no matter how long it takes. That's the mindset you have to be successful. So anyways, I really hope you guys enjoy tonight, enjoy the last day of 2024, and let's look forward to some new beginnings, some new successes, new adventures, new journeys, and look forward to 2025. Peace out, y'all.